In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Moomoo Username. If you've ever needed your Moomoo username, also called your user ID or account ID, for support, referrals, or account verification, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find it and what to expect on both the desktop app and the web. Let's start with the Moomoo desktop app. Open the app and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and click your profile icon. This is the quickest way to reach your account details. On that profile screen, you should see your user ID or account number. In some cases, it may appear partially hidden for privacy. If you see that it's masked, look for the option labeled View Detailed Information. Select that and follow any on-screen prompts to verify your identity. After verification, the full user ID will be displayed. This internal ID is the one that many people refer to as your username on Moomoo, even though your actual login might be different. You can also access the same information from the Moomoo web experience. Head to the Moomoo website and make sure you're logged in. Move your cursor to the top right corner and hover over your profile icon. From the menu that appears, click Account Info. Just like on the desktop app, your user ID or account number will be visible on this page. If it appears hidden due to privacy settings, choose View Detailed Information and complete the quick verification steps to reveal the full ID. A quick note to avoid confusion. Your primary login credential might be your registered email address or phone number. That's perfectly normal. However, your internal Moomoo ID is separate. Think of it as the unique identifier for your account inside Moomoo's system, and it's what support teams or referral programs often ask for. If you're sharing details with support, use this ID rather than sensitive personal information. And if you don't immediately see the full number, it's likely just masked for security. Select View Detailed Information and verify when prompted. That's all you need. On the desktop app, click your profile icon in the top left to view your ID, and on the web, hover over your profile icon in the top right and open Account Info. Remember, if it's hidden, verify to reveal it. With that, you'll always know where to find your Moomoo username whenever you need it.